Hello coin engineers and welcome to another great video about aptos ecosystem. As you know, we are trying to participate in every event on aptos and already won several airdrops and whitelists worth more than $2,000. And in this video, we will participate Souffl3 NFT marketplace's Bake-Off 2.0 event and show you what to do to earn whitelists and airdrops. Before we start, don't forget to check our aptos blockchain playlist to participate in every event to maximize your chance to get an airdrop. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell not to miss out any of these chances. You can find this playlist link in the descriptions of this video. If you're ready, let's start. As most of you already know, Souffl3 is one of the leading NFT marketplaces on aptos blockchain, and they have made a bake-off event back in time to give participants OG roles in their Discord server. And with the community's request, they have started Bake-Off 2.0. Now let's learn what to do. First of all, you need to join their Discord server through the link in the descriptions. You will find a link which will direct you to their Discord. You can check the information message at the Create3 Quest channel if you want. But we will be talking about every detail in this video too. Then you need to join their Create3 community to complete the quest to earn XP. With each quest done, your XP and level will rise. Click on the second link in the descriptions of this video to create your Create3. Don't forget to join Create3 with your Discord account to make it quite simpler. You can check your status through the image at the top left side of your screen. And if you are one of the top runners, you will see yourself in the leaderboard. There are fun quests like easy quizzes, daily tasks, which wants you to visit their website for easy XPs. And as you can see, you can participate to their whitelist events easily from their Create3 page. And with the Get Your Rewards quests, you can see that you will get your first whitelist when you reach level 10. And with each stage, like level 14, level 16 and so on, you will get greater rewards. Don't tell I cannot reach those levels. Nothing comes for free but our videos in this world. If you want airdrops and whitelists, you have to contribute to the project and community. And with these easiest quests, you can do that extremely easy with just some clicks every day. And if you don't know what is Souffl3 NFT marketplace, let's dive into it right now to learn it quickly. When you enter this website through the link in the descriptions, you can see the popular collections at the first page. You can check them, join their Discord servers, check out their Twitter accounts, and if you like them, you can buy their NFTs if you are an NFT investor or just a collectionist. And they also have a launchpad. You can click on this tab or just check out this place. For the upcoming pre-sales of those NFT collections, you can click on these icons to move around. And also when you click on the launchpad button, you can see the both and the pre-sales of NFT collections with the upcoming sales. If you want to invest in aptos NFTs, click on the Discover tab and you can see the top collections for 1 hour, 6 hours, 24 hours or 7 days. The collection names, volumes in the chosen time range, their change of the floor price with the floor price itself, and how much NFT sales made in the time range. As you can see, 207 aptos monkeys NFTs were sold in the last 24 hours as this video is being shot. And you can see the percentage of the items listed. Only 16% of aptos monkeys is listed right now. And this is it. We will keep you updated with each event and prize that we all going to win through this event. If you think this video was useful, don't forget to subscribe and like to get more opportunities like this. See you in the next one.